All right, good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Yeah, I did a video the other time about selling on the internet. Yes, but there was an issue with the video when I was trying to share my screen to show you my own data. I didn't know I didn't share the whole screen, so now I made sure I share full screen, not just only the Adobe screen, not just only this place. I made sure I shared the whole screen of my laptop so you can see everything I'll be showing you. Yeah, so you can see everything I'll be showing you. I just quickly get online and do this video so you can see these things. So now like the last video, I'll make it as short as possible. Don't worry about that. In the last video, we're talking about how you can sell on the internet. What do people think selling on the internet is? Of course, I showed you these things. What people think selling on the internet is what selling on the internet actually is. This is just me, basically. This is just me. This is what I do. I have never begged anybody to buy my product, but I don't sell bulk daily. Okay, I'll prove that to you later. All right, so we're done with these places. So the question is, how can selling change your life? That was just what we're doing. That's what we're doing. How can selling change your life? So I was talking about how you can actually make sales of 500k to a million naira a day. Yeah, it's very possible. People do it a lot. People can sell as much as 500 naira to a million naira a day. Okay, let me just break it down. Let me just break it down for let me just break it down a little bit. So now, for example, now, of course, I always like solving people's problem. I tell you this secret. Even if go anywhere, you hear it. The easiest way to make money is to solve a problem people are having. Don't know if you hear that. Oh, my this thing is not muted. The easiest way to make money is to solve a particular problem people are facing. Your solution can be in service or it can be in product. Yeah, depending on what you want. Now, this what I'm telling you now is your solution is in the product. All right, let me make it practical. For example, now, when I do the next video on how to start your business, this is just I want to just show you what the business, what selling online can do. But then you'll be so confused and so down now because you don't even have a business at all. You don't even have a product. You have nothing. You don't even have anything at all to start. So the next video, that's what I'm going to focus on. I'm sorry that video is delaying. I'll make sure I get it as soon as possible. I just need to find a convenient time for me and my guests. So we'll just do the pre-recorded video together and I'll upload it and you can watch it as soon as possible. Just hang on with me, please. I'm sorry about the delay about the second video. Let me make this one as fast as possible. So now, let me just make a real life scenario. Let me just make it a practical, what I am doing. For example, now, I notice people having a particular problem. Or what can the problem be? Let me say, people are having... Okay, now, let me use a sex product. People are having quick ejaculation problem. Let me use that product. People are having quick ejaculation. Not people, men. Of course, me, I know that it's very rampant these days. So many men having quick ejaculation. A man is very unhappy at the fact that it cannot last 1 minute. So it cannot last 45 minutes or 1 hour. In 1 minute, is gone. Once a few seconds, 2 minutes is this. He has really, and he doesn't like it at all. It's very painful. There's this embarrassment, stigma, and everything involved in coming as soon as possible. So many men want to eradicate that problem. Have you seen the problem already now? Can you see that problem? That simple problem in the world today. That simple problem in the world today. So what do I want to do now? I want to help people solve that problem. Oh, of course, you don't have a product. You don't even have a business. Neither do you have a product. That will be discussed. Like I'm going to give you all these things, literally speaking. Don't worry about that. I'm not talking about me, how you can make sales, how you can sell 500k a day. Okay, now go with me. So now I craft a sales system like this guy is doing now. He crafted a sales system. Now, I now launch my sales system on the internet. not offline. I'm not working. I'm not going to people's domot. So sorry, come buy my product. I get one this thing. Go help you do this song. No. That is back then. I don't do that. Don't do that again. I'll not be carrying my product on my shoulders, on my head, and be going to people's room. Sorry, we have these products. Come on. No. That is very wrong. Don't do that. It's embarrassing. I don't like it. You are anonymous. You are anonymous. Like you are invincible, but you are selling. The only thing people are hearing is your voice. That is just the only thing people are hearing. Your voice. You can show them your face if you want, or your sales system. That's what you want. Now, this is me now. I crafted a sales system to sell my product that is solving a particular problem for men, quick ejaculation. And after my well-crafted and built sales system, I started getting 20 orders a day. 50 people bought my products. Now, it doesn't matter how would I put this now? Okay, let me for example now, bank you just wake up on money and see that bank have charged you 20 naira. You see, why people charging me any, and what is 20 naira? Why they remove 20 naira from my account now? It's just 20 naira anyway, no problem. You think it's just 20 naira? Do you know how many people that call it that 20 naira form? The whole Nigeria, there are 200 million people in Nigeria, over 200 million people in Nigeria. For example, now they collect that 20 naira from 100 million people a day. This is what's happening. No, this is not like I'm trying to hype anybody or I'm exaggerating. This was Access Bank can charge 100. No, let me not even go to 100 million. Access Bank can charge 2 million people 20 naira a day. Okay, let me do my math here, my calculator. 2 million naira. 2 million naira times 20. That is 400 million. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing what I'm trying to show you now? Now, I am not saying I sell to 2 million people a day. That is on the higher level. Before you can sell to 2 million people a day, you must be able to spend good money on advertising. This is not impossible. You can sell to 2 million people a day, but we have a budget. I cannot afford that kind of big budget on advertising. People that can afford that kind of big budget, people talk of MTN, Glo, those one can afford those kind of budgets. But now we are just on a street budget to advertise our products. Now I sell to 50 people a day. 50 people is small now. What is 50 people? I can sell to 50 people a day. And for example, now let me just say my profit on each product is what now? Let me see my profit on it. Let me not cut too much price. Let me just say my profit is 20k. So 50 times 20,000. 50 times 20,000. I have sold 1 million naira a day already. This is not about me bluffing, no. This is not about me bluff. I'm not trying to paint it. I'm telling you a real life story. Right then. Let me now show you my data on my own website. So you won't look like I'm trying to tell you stories. I'm trying to tell you what is not real. I'm trying to deceive you and likes. Let's go to my data. So I'll simply exit this. I shared my whole screen, so I hope you can see my screen because I made sure I shared my whole screen. So let me quickly go to my data and show you some stuff. I made sure I shared my whole screen, so you should be able to see this. You should be able to see this. So let me just go to my computer. Let me go to my computer. Let me go to my screenshots and show you some. Okay. Sorry about that. All right, let me show you some of my data. Don't mind me. And let me just start from here. All right, let me start from here. But that's out from a screenshot from other places. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. So let me share. I hope you can see my screen because I made sure I shared my full screen. I just hope you can see my screen. This is pre-recorded. There's no one in the Zoom meeting to tell me that I cannot see your screen. No. So I'll just pull it up. I hope I can see my screen properly. I'm trying to pull up some of that things now. Just go with me. This video won't be so long. I should be done in a few minutes. Just hang up with me. All I want to just do now is to show you data. I hope you can see my screen now. Now, this is just a screenshot I made for my website. You can see that's my name, and this is my phone number. Check your WhatsApp. The number I'm using to chat. This is my phone number. But look at now. This is a product. I cut the product off so you won't see the name of the product. This is the name of the product here. These are the name of the products and the name of the products. Now, items sold. I sold 410 pieces. What is my net sales on each product? That is 5 million on that product I sold now. This again, I sold 229 pieces, 2.9 million. 112 pieces, 6.1 million. Can you see my data? No, this is just screenshots. At the end of the day, I'll go to my website straight. So you won't like I just screenshot something and maybe Photoshop it. We'll go to my website straight. Now, this is before. This is the first. This is when my sales were just started coming. If you see when this is the product, something is a kit. You can see now I have sold 410 pieces already in this place. Let's go on. Now this is my sales, my net sales on my website. I've gotten 102 orders in a space of about few months. Yeah, few months. I don't sell every day. I sell sometimes. I don't sell sometimes. If I sell every day, my data will be more than this, way more than this. I don't sell every day. If I sell the day, you should see like 4,000 orders here. That is just the plain truth. Now, this is just the online order. So, of course, people will call you and place order offline. People will chat you up and place order offline. It is the internet. It is volatile. You're not restricted at all. Now, this is my net sales of 28 million naira in last few months. And of course, average order. This is the price. This is the average price for each order. Of course, this is just one of the. I sell. This is just 22,000. Let me say 23,000. This is just the list of some of my products. I sell numerous products anyway. That's my business. I'll give that business. So don't worry about this. I'll give you the business. I sell numerous products. This is just the one of the lists. I barely sell 22K products. One of the products are around 28K above, 28, 38, 40, 50, thereabouts. But that is fine. That is fine. Let's go on. Okay, this is just the same of my data. This is when my ad. Okay, this is 400 orders here. And here it is 410. Okay, 410. Wait, trying to guess. 410, 484. Can you see? I am still selling. No, I am not done selling. I am still selling. When I make sales for a while, I screenshot. I make sales, I screenshot. You can see now 485. I think this is just a day difference. I'll go to my website later. But this is just my orders on my WooCommerce. This is my website. This is my own. Do you understand what I mean by my website? This is my own website. I manage it. I manage 100%. I don't manage half and somebody else manage half. I don't manage half and the government manage half. I don't manage half and some other people manage half. I manage 100% of my website from A to Z. I hope you can see me. I hope you can still hear me. I think you can still hear me. I manage 100% of my website data. Everything on my website, I manage it. Nobody else is doing it for me. So it's not like this others here, maybe the government is collecting tax or some company is collecting some payments or this. No. Right, this is my data. This is my data from January to October 9th, 2021. This is not Photoshop. This is my website. No worry, I'll go back there so you see it very well. This is not Photoshop. This is my website. I've made a total sales of 28 million in this past few months. I told you I don't sell every day. I sell about in a week. I can sell 4 days, like 4 times. I can sell on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That is when I won't sell that week again. I can sell Monday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I won't sell that day. I sell 4 times a week. 4 times out of 7 times. 4 days out of 7 days. Okay. You can sell every day if you want. I want to sell every day. That's just me. I want to sell every day. I'm working on that. I will sell every day. So this is just my gross sales. This is WooCommerce. If you are an internet marketer already, you have an idea. You know what this is. This is just my data I'm pulling up from my WooCommerce. All right. So let me go straight to my website. This was when I was just at 900 orders. I have not crossed 1,000 orders, but no problem. Let's go. Okay. Now let me not talk too much. Let me go to my website. So that's my advertising network. I got disabled to some extent. No problem. Let's go to my website. Let's go to my website. Just stay with me. I'm almost done. Let me just show my website live so you won't look like I'm all right. Yes, this is it. Okay, now let me refresh this page. Sorry, let me refresh this page. So you will show that it's today. Let me reload this page. Just give me 1 minute. I'm almost done. Let me just show you this data. I want you to see that this thing is not film trick. I want to see that this thing is not, it's not me trying to deceive you, or it's not me talking to super stories. This real life, like real life, not film trick. I want to prove to you. So just go with me. Let me just show you my data, my own data. This is my website, Sage Solutions. If you go back and check the website you went through in joining this group chat you are now, in joining this platform, you see that it has Sage Solutions attached. It is my website. I manage it 100%. Okay, this is now. Okay, now I sold today. I have stopped selling already. At times I don't sell. I stopped selling around 11 o'clock for some reasons. I won't tell you why I stopped selling this morning. Actually, it has something to do with my advertising platform. So I didn't sell long. I stopped selling around 11 o'clock. I got 14 orders today. Look at the next sales of the orders I got today. Let me say 400K. 400K. Can you see that? I have sold goods worth 400K today. Just sitting I have only gone to buy some stuff from the market, those few stuff. I bought banana and some other things. That's the only thing I've gone out to do today. I have not left my apartment, and I have sold 14 pieces of my products, and I've made sales of 400K. Can you see that? All right, this is just today anyway. This is just today. You can see today. You can see it's today. Let me click on week to date. That is this week. Let me show you this week. I didn't say that I've not even sold much this month. I've not even sold much. I've sold few. I didn't sell yesterday. I didn't sell the day before yesterday. I sold on Monday. I sold on Sunday. I don't sell every day. I don't sell every day. There's a reason for that anyway. Maybe as time goes on, I'll let you know. So now this is my sales for this week. I have sold 27. This is just 2 days data. 2 days. I only sold on Monday and today. And today I didn't even sell long. I stopped selling around, I think around 10 o'clock. It's not up to 11. I think around 10 in the morning. This is in the afternoon already. Can you see that? I'm just showing my real data now on my website. This is not Photoshop. This is live. I am refreshing the page. I am on Chrome, on Google Chrome. If you can see clearly. All right, let me go to my data. If I go to my analytics, you see the name of my products. But I don't want to show you the name of my products yet. I want you to know the business first before you can start seeing products. I don't know if you get me. I don't want to go to my analytics. So let me just go to my reports, my WooCommerce reports. I won't show you the product yet. I want to understand the business first before you can start seeing talking of products. I want to give you a business and then a product. Just relax and go with me. I'm sorry that the second video have not come up yet. I'll make sure that it's ready as soon as possible. All right, now this is my sales for the last 7 days. My gross profit. Oh, this is not about the amount the product I sold. This is my gross profit. My gross profit. I've sold one. This is my data. No, I told you I didn't sell every day. That's why this. See on the 15th I sold. You can see I didn't sell. That's why the thing is dropped to the bottom because I didn't sell today. I sold today. I didn't sell today. Can you see? I don't sell every day. I don't sell every day. All right, now this is my gross profit for the last 7 days. I have made 1.9 million naira. Can you see that? Okay, let me just go for this year. Let me just go for this year, or let me just go for this month first. I'm showing my data real life on my website. This is not about me showing you Photoshop. Can you see the page is loading? I can't start photoshopping a website page. This is a web page. It can't be photoshopped. I don't know if you know that. It can't be photoshopped. This is my web page. It cannot be photoshopped. All right. All right. This is the sales for this month. I don't sell every day. I don't sell every day. I don't sell every day. All right. So let me put up my sales for the year. Last month. Did I do well? Did I sell last month? I was very busy last month anyway, so I can't remember how I did last month. Let me see. I haven't checked the data well. I think I sold last month. Okay, I sold last month. I sold products worth 5 million last month. All right. Let me now pull up my data for the year, not the month again, for the year. From January to date. Give it time. My data is loading. It's loading. Just give it time. All right, now for this year, I have sold goods worth 32 million naira. Can you see that? Sorry, I have sold goods worth 32 million naira. This is not Photoshop. This is not somebody's website. This is my own website. This is my own website. My name is Sage. The name of my website is Sage Solutions. I tell you again, the website you passed in joining this platform, this group chat, go back and check the website again. You see it is starting with www.sagesolutions.com. That is my website. Nobody else. And this is my dashboard. I can go and pull up. Let me see if I can find my okay. I don't have to prove to you that this is my own website. So you're gonna look like I'm pulling up some of this stuff. I teach what I do. I won't just start coming up one day, just wake up one morning. I want to start telling people that come on, let me teach you how to make money. No, if I have not done it myself and made my own money, and I see that yes, this making money on the internet is very, very possible and easy if only you put your mind down. But mind you, I didn't do this in one day. I didn't wake up one morning and I just started making sales. So I worked hard. I told you I started selling online. I started working since last year ending. Last year ending, I started seeing 20K in my account, 50K in my account, and then I started working. My network started growing. I started making more money on the internet. I started growing, getting better, and now I cannot say I am an expert, but I can tell you that I know many things people don't know. I know many things people don't know on how to sell on the internet. Is it how to use Facebook to sell, how to use Google to sell, how to use YouTube? I know these things. So now I am not a novice just coming to you trying to deceive you or trying to tell you what I don't do. These are the things I do. Right, let me click on my orders. Sorry. Let me click on my orders. I think that's clicked already. Let me click on my orders. So you see that I sold today. I'm talking about the one I sold today. All right, now can you see? Okay, this is just this is just one of my products. This product is just 28,000 naira. I have so many products on the internet anyway, but today I didn't sell much. I only sold one of my products and I've stopped selling already. I stopped selling around 11, around 10. I think it's not up to 11, around 10 in the morning, after 9 to 10. I mean to 10 after 10, thereabouts. So now can I see now? This is 3. Can you see what's happening now? 3 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 7 hours. Can you see what can you see my sales? Orders. The product is 28,000 naira anyway, but it's just a cheap product. It's not that expensive. But I also want to show you that this is my data. This is me. This is me, Osagi, the person talking to you on WhatsApp. This is me. This is my data. Or I didn't know about you do too much of talk, so I'll just simply end it now to make this video not too long. Let me simply end everything here now. Don't mind me, I've talked too much already. Sorry about that. So I'll be rounding up now. All right, now. So now I know you will feel like, this guy is doing these things. I wish I can be like this. You will be like this if you put your head down and focus. There's many distractions in the world today. Women, okay, of course, that is for men. Women will distract you. Women will distract you. Peer pressure will distract you. Distract you. Social media, you want to see what people are doing. This guy is driving this car. This guy is doing this thing to distract you. To take your focus away from what you need to be doing. But there are so many innovations in the world today. If you focus and work hard, just 2 things. You don't have to. Working hard is not always the way. If working hard is the only way to success, those people that push wheelbarrow in the market, those people that tear firewood that break firewood for restaurants, they used to work hard. You don't have to work hard. You can work smart, but be consistent. Don't just do it and just stop. That this thing is not working. If I tell you how many times I've gotten frustrated by one thing or the other, I will try to do something, it's not going to work. I will feel like this thing. I'll say, okay, I'll try again tomorrow. I'll go and sleep. Next day I'll go back to that thing. By the time I do first, second time, fourth, fifth, 10, before I follow that thing for 2 weeks, I'll get it right. And I'll learn from it because I suffer for it to work. And since I suffer, I cannot get that thing wrong again. So this is not about to just Because what the youth of these days want is, I told one of my friends before that, he was like, sorry, are you making money? I mean, come and teach me work now. I see, I'm not Yahoo, but I'm not doing Yahoo. He said, yes, I'm not doing Yahoo. But he said, come and teach me work now. I was like trying to explain some things to him. I sell on the internet, I do this, I do that. You know the next thing he said? He said, so you mean, can I sell one product and make like 20 million a day? Did you hear what you said? He wants to sell one product a day and make 20 million naira. Can you imagine that? That is just what the youth want today. They don't want to work. They don't want to grow. They don't want to upgrade themselves. All they just want is to make money now. Let the money just come outside now. I don't want to work. Let the money just come outside. That's my own. That's what is happening in the world today. That's what the youth are doing. They don't want to work, but they want to make big money. It cannot work that way. The only way it can work that way is if you do fraud. You steal somebody's money, fine. You catch a client today, you bill the client 50 million, you were able to deceive the client well, and the client pay you 50 million. That is the only way. And I don't need to start preaching to you about fraud, but that is not my problem. That's not my problem. I won't blame people for doing fraud. I won't blame them. You understand? But if you want to grow, but believe me, if you take the right path and grow yourself, when those people those people that didn't make money legitimately, you will be on top because you are now established. You are no longer thinking of how to defraud somebody again because you have grown your business. The business I want to show you tomorrow, the business I'll be showing to you is the business that you grow and you stop growing. I mean, not like stop growing. I mean, you will grow and you won't need to be growing it again because the business has already been sustained. It is now growing by itself. I don't know if you understand me. That's the way, just like Dangote now. When Dangote started growing his business, he suffered at the beginning. But now, Dangote is no longer growing his business. So it is now growing by itself. Dangote's business is now growing by itself. It is now automated. That's what I mean. So I'll be showing you this powerful business in the next video. I'm very sorry there's a delay in that video because I'm trying to fix a time with my guest, so she'll talk about the business. I'll record it and send to each and every one of us, please. Sorry about the delay. I'm working on that. All right, now thank you very much. Let me not take much of your time. The video is already getting too long. I don't want it to be too long. Let me just cut it here. Right, she'll be the one talking to us about it, Dr. Ononju Ebechukwu. She has, if I tell you where she's in this business, I'm like looking up to her. I want to be in that place one day. She's earning over $1 million a month. Over $1 million a month. And she's not doing much again because she has established her business. She's not doing much again. But actually, this business is just one of my business anyway. It's just one of my business. It's just one of my business. But this one is very powerful. That's how I want to see this one. This one is very powerful. As powerful as my business. All right. So that is just it. Why I want to give you this particular business already? Because this one is already established. If I show you all my business, you have to start from scratch. You have to start from zero. But this one, you don't have to start from zero exactly. You just have to start from somewhere. I don't know if you get me. Don't worry, when we talk about these things, you understand better. All right. Thank you very much thank you for your time. I'll just end the video now and see you in the next meeting.